So here I am again. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. It's always my routine to always greet you first, and it's a good thing. So now I receive a message from someone that is telling me how can he make money. The person want me to do a video on how to make money with photography without you having your own studio. Yeah. Uh, he asked me, is it possible? Yeah, very possible. But you need some investment. You need to make some investment, very important investment. Now, let me just, before I go into what investment you need to make, let's talk about how much you can be making with that photography. Then we'll talk about how to get the skill, then how to set up the business, not the studio. Now, photography is a very lucrative business even before this invention, this phone with good cameras. Now, but since the arrival of these good cameras on phones, it's a little bit on a downhill. But not to worry, if you know your sort, you're going to make a lot of money there. I can assure you, you can make millions in a year from photography, especially those festive period, weddings, burial, naming, party, name it. Now, the first thing you should know about photography is that now you have to specify which area. And when you are doing photography, please endeavor to do video with it, because most people want to give the same person that is doing photography the video too. So it will be two package in one. Very important. So don't just go for photography. If it's going to be a wedding, a standard wedding, it's going to be a standard wedding, my brother, you will need to charge people between 500,000 to 1 million. You don't believe it, don't worry. But I tell you, that's the truth. I know people that charge just more than that. People that charge more than that. The likes of Chinozo, the likes of Bello, that's T.Y. Bello. So they charge more than that time. It's something that is lucrative if you know your sort. One thing you should know is that photography can put you on the limelight, can turn you into a celebrity. All those pictures that most celebrities post online, they are not just taken by their phones. They have a photographer that is following them all around. So anytime they need to have a good angle, the photographer just give it to them. Now, that you can make a lot of money from photography. Now, how do you become a photographer without a studio? Now, one thing most people do is that you need to come up with a plan to partner with somebody that has a studio. You talk to the person, yes, you can pay the person a little amount from your fee, from the fee you charge the person in question. Well, how do these people know that you exist? Very easy. Social media. Have a social media page, Facebook, Instagram. What you should do is that you don't have to start by collecting money from people to snap them. The first thing you have to do is that you need to snap people for free to post on your pages. Or even you can have a YouTube channel. How do you get shots? You have to be creative about it. You can watch videos online, photograph videos online on YouTube. You have to be creative about it. Build your channel, build your YouTube channel, build your Instagram account, build your Facebook account. People will notice you, people will call you when you start doing work. Most of them will not even call, they will not even ask you if you have a studio. But they will just ask you, can you come and do this? I'm having a baby shower, I'm having a bridal shower. They don't do bridal shower inside the studio. If baby shower is going to be inside the studio, they will not put their mind inside your studio. So you don't really need a studio. The only thing that you need to put out content, let people know what you can do. Let people know how good you are. Let people know that you are an expert in that field. And I bet you are going to be a millionaire photographer, the mobile one. That is that. Then how do you get the knowledge required? Now, they have been telling you about this thing that for a long time there is nothing you are looking for. There is no knowledge, no teaching, no tutor you are looking for, no tutorial you are looking for that is not on YouTube. On YouTube, just go into and say photography, then you see many options. Begin to watch them and practice them. Then secondly, go for editing. How do you edit them? You need to know how to edit and make it a perfect picture that when the person that gave the job, when they see it, they will just fall in love with your work and give you more recommendations. That is that. And now go for video editing too. Learn all these skills. Within 3 to 4 months, you can have all these skills if you are ready. Then begin to practice with your phone. But you need to make an investment. The investment you need to make will be around 150 to 300,000. The good photography camera is like 150 to 200. Then you need some kind of lights. That's the investment you're going to make in this business. And I bet you, if you make the investment, you are not going to regret it. Learn this thing. This skill is a very sellable skill. Many people just don't know it. That is that, and anybody can do it. You can be a freelance photographer. You don't need to leave your current job. You don't need to resign from the current job you are doing. You can make money just by taking those photos, and a lot of money. Know how to sell yourself. Read books on how to sell yourself. I have a book here. Sell like crazy. I'm not going to tell you the person because I was not paid to do adverts, but it's a book you are going to like. When you read it, knowledge will just begin to flow into your mind and you'll be happy you do. Thank you. That's that photography for now. I want to sign out. See you in the next episode. Yours truly, Kaiwa.